Well, hello and welcome back. For those of you that are new here, hi, my name is Ralu, and please don't forget to subscribe because I have a new video coming up for you every Thursday. For today's makeup, I was thinking about 8th March when it's International Women's Day, and I thought about doing a more glamorous kind of makeup because maybe you want to go out with your friends or with your mom to have dinner, for a drink, or maybe clubbing. And I think this makeup look is suitable for every occasion. It's really simple to achieve, it's really nice, and it has that zhuzh, you know? So if you like it and you want to know how you can achieve it too, please keep on watching. So I'm going to start my makeup by applying a primer, and because I want my skin to look fresh and dewy and youthful, I will use the MAC Stroke Cream in Gold Light. It is super hydrating and I'm applying it on whole face. For foundation, I'm going to use a new one for me, a new discovery that I've made in the last week, I think. It's the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. I am in shade 130. I'm absolutely in love with this foundation. I'm applying it with a Cupio sponge. I like it better when it is applied with a sponge rather than a brush. It's a matte foundation that lasts all day long, and it doesn't creases and the skin doesn't shine, and it's perfect. As for concealer, I am using the usual Fenty Beauty Pro Filter concealer, and I'm applying a tiny bit in the inner corners and outer corners. And surprise, surprise, I discovered that you don't have to set this concealer, and if you don't do it, it looks incredible. I've tried it for 2 days and I really like it. It really impressed me. Now it's time for the eyes, and for us to get a little closer. To prime my lids, I'm going to use Soft Ochre Paint Pot from MAC. From the Morphe and Jacqueline Hill palette, I'm taking this brown and I'm applying it into the crease. From the same palette, I am taking this eyeshadow and I am applying it in the inner corner of the eye. Right in the inner corner, I am taking this. Using this eyeshadow, I'm going to wing a line. And now I'm going to buff out the edges. And now we're actually going to wing a liner. I'm going to clean the edges. I am applying the dark brown eyeshadow on the lower lash line. In the middle of the lid, I'm applying some Stardust Diamonds from Makeup Forever. Give it a zhuzh. Oh, yes. This looks so pretty, and you have to apply only a tiny little bit. Now it's time for mascara. Okay, so apparently the camera wasn't recording. I'm sorry. But I was starting to bronze my face using this shade from the Shade and Light Contour Palette from Kat Von D. And I'm applying it to the apples of the cheeks and along the hairline. just to warm the face a little bit. As highlighter, I am applying Cover FX Custom Enhancer Drops in Moonlight. This is going to create that wet skin or glossy skin that we really love. See? It looks really natural, but really good. Applying it a little bit on the forehead. On the bridge of the nose. And on the Cupid's bow. For blush, I'm applying this one from Inglot. And I'm going to finish off the makeup with some lipstick, and for today I'm going to use NYX Lingerie in Cabaret Show. This is such a pretty color. I love it. And it's super comfortable on the lips and it lasts all day long, trust me. Okay, and this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Please give it a thumbs up if you did and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys hopefully in my next video. Bye bye.